today I'm going to show you how to quickly make use of drop-downs in Microsoft Excel. So are you used to doing this? I'm going to show you the shortest way of doing this. So rather than coming here, copying fruit, pasting where there is a fruit like that, you can actually save time and avoid typos by just making use of the drop downs. Saves you a lot of time. So we just select which one is a fruit and which one is not a fruit, and which one is a furniture and which one. So if you are working with the categories or you're working with the department, so it becomes easier of doing that. So first of all, what do you do? So you come here, get the categories column, categories, just call category, then look for if you'll be having fruits, if you'll be having meat, and if you'll be having drink and furniture. We also have electronics. So like that. So you come here, electronics. Nice. So once you have this, so this is the department, these are the categories. So this format as a table. If I may want, just give it another format. Yeah, like that. Select that table as a header, like that. So for me, what I'll do this. So I'll come here. We call this category 2. I'll not do the other thing. Category 2. So the easiest way to go about this, so I just come here, come to data, go to data validation. So under data validation here is where I'll click allow list, and then source. I click here to select my categories like that. Go back here, then I can just click OK. So I'll have created here my drop down already, and it would have saved me a lot of time. So I can just come here, what is orange? I just click here, orange is what? It's a fruit. So I save time. So that's how we create drop downs in Microsoft Excel, and you can easily be able to know if it is wrong. You can still also change. That is meat. Water is a drink. So you see, you save a lot of time. Thank you.